Hey, what's up everybody? I'm so excited. I just got my first merch, our Awesome Adventures merch. And I thought it'd be appropriate if I open it up with you guys. All right, here we go. I'll take my shirt off. And we're gonna see if this fits. It's such a cute little bag. Oh, here we go. Look inside. Oh wow, it's so nicely packaged. Oh, I like that. Oh yeah. Looking nice. Nice feel. Oh wow, it's a nice material. What do you guys think? Now let's see if it fits. See what it looks like on. Because you don't really know what this stuff looks like until you try it on. That looks cool. What do you think? Does it fit? Is it cool? Is it a nice look for me? Yeah? Oh, I love the material. It is a really nice material. Oh, I love it. Yeah, our Awesome Adventures. Wow, this shirt is way nicer than I thought. I love the material. Here, feel the material real quick. So soft. Let's take a look at the tag. So I got an extra large. See, it's the Bella canvas. Heirloom jersey. USA strong. Assembled in Nicaragua with US components. Oh yeah. But it's a nice material, yes, I love it. And what's this? Oh, it shows the when it was made. So I made it January 20th. I'll put this back on. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed your one day off. Today is actually the very first day of our 2-week workout. And I was like, I don't feel like working out today, But I was like, if my merch comes, well then I'm gonna do a workout. That's what I said. So a little later today, we'll do our first workout. I love my shirt. I hope you guys get one just like it. And then we could walk around, bring happiness into the world and help people feel awesome. I love you guys. Check out flyingsouth.com, and when you get there, click on merch. And I already have 7 pages of really cool items that you can purchase. Drop a comment in the below, and let me know what merch you like, if you went and looked and stuff. Anyway, I love you guys. Be strong. Be strong like stone. Love you. Bye.